So welcome back friends, my name is Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, in this video I'm gonna talk about the upcoming SmackDown show which is going to happen in just few hours because WWE has been advertised so many things, so it's going to be very interesting, the upcoming SmackDown show. So I'm gonna talk about the upcoming matches and the segments which is going to happen on upcoming SmackDown show. So watch this video till the end. And friends, please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification of every video that I am going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's start it. Friends, WWE advertising the return of Sasha Banks for the upcoming SmackDown show. Friends, last week Sasha Banks missed the SmackDown show because before a week Bayley brutally attacked on Sasha Banks and it was a very brutal attack, and that's why she missed the SmackDown show last week. But this week she is coming on SmackDown and it's going to be very interesting to see the reaction of Sasha Banks. Will she attack on Bayley and take her revenge, or will she do a promo cut and ask the explanation of attack by the Bayley? So it's going to be very interesting segment is going to happen. Next thing we are going to see in the upcoming SmackDown show, and it's a battle between AJ Styles versus Sami Zayn. I think you were thinking about a match, but it's not a match, it's a argument battle royal where both men will pretend that who is the better intercontinental champion. Although it's a argument battle royal, but we can see some physicality in this match, so it's going to be very interesting segment for the upcoming SmackDown show. And we might also see the involvement of Jeff Hardy in this battle royal, in this argument battle royal. So it's going to be a very interesting segment. The next segment WWE is advertising for the upcoming SmackDown show, and it's a Moment of Bliss show where the guest will be Nikki Cross. Last week we saw that Alexa Bliss hits a Sister Abigail move on Nikki Cross. Definitely Nikki Cross is going to ask to Alexa Bliss that why she hit Sister Abigail move on her, and WWE is also teasing a breakup of this team, so it's going to be very interesting to see this segment. Friends, from last 3 weeks we are watching a mystery girl on the SmackDown show, so everybody wants to know that who she is. Friends, rumors are coming out that it's a Carmella or Tasha Blanchard, but it's just a still rumor. So I am very excited to see that who the mystery girl is this. Will WWE is going to reveal on the upcoming SmackDown show? So it's going to be very interesting to see the upcoming SmackDown show because everybody is curious to know that who the mystery girl is this. Friends, as we know that Jey Uso is going to battle against Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship at Clash of Champions pay-per-view, but we didn't see any physicality during this feud. So tomorrow we might see some physicality between these two guys, between these two cousins. So it's going to be very interesting to see that how this feud is going to proceed for the future. So I'm very excited for this rivalry. So it's going to be very interesting segment is going to happen in the upcoming SmackDown show. So friends, this is all about from this video. This is all about my prediction for the upcoming SmackDown show. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this video. Friends, we will meet in the upcoming video. For now friends, take care of yourself, take care of family. Bye bye friends.